Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to insert checkbox in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. The first step in adding a checkbox is to enable the developer tab on the Excel ribbon, which is hidden by default. To do this, follow these steps. Right click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. Next, on the right in the main tab section, check the box next to developer item and click OK. After that, as you can see, developer tab appeared. Now in the controls group, click on the insert button and in the drop-down list select the checkbox control. Now we need to place it on the sheet. To do this, just click on any cell with the mouse. The checkbox will be immediately selected and we can use the mouse to position it in the desired cell. If you deselect checkbox, for example, by clicking on any cell next to it, then when you click the mouse again, the check mark will appear or disappear. And now to select the checkbox, you will need to right-click on it again. And in the context menu that appears, you can add a tag that appears by default. For example, by removing it and reduce the selection border. Now let's turn to this range. I would like to tick completed tasks. So let's move the checkbox to the cell opposite the first task. Great, and now we copy the checkbox to the rest of the cells, as we do with formulas. Click the left mouse button on the autofill marker and copy the checkbox to the entire column. The same checkbox can be added in another way. Just bring it to the Quick Access toolbar. Move the cursor to the upper left corner to Quick Access toolbar, click the right mouse button and select Customize Quick Access toolbar. Next, in the Choose Comments From field, select All Comments. And then we'll look for checkbox Form Control in the list. When we find it, select it, click Add and OK. And now it will always be on the Quick Access toolbar ready to use. To delete checkbox, hold down the Ctrl key and select with the left mouse button unnecessary checkboxes, and then click Delete button or right click and select Cut. That's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.